to make a mistake with 4a here. You've got to remember, though, that when you multiply, the order in which you multiply can be anything you like. So if you think of 8d as 8 times d, and then it's times 7 times d, you can then change the order to 8 times 7 times d, and then it becomes more obvious that actually what you've got there is a d squared. So 8 times 7 is 56, d times d is d squared. 56 times d squared we can just write as 56d squared. Okay, we now need to expand the bracket here, so I'm going to do 4 times 3e, well that's 12e, and then 4 times minus 5, well that's minus 20. So we get 12e minus 20. We're now asked to factorise f squared minus 2f, and the way that I factorise this is by taking out a common factor. In this case the common factor is f, so that goes in front of my bracket, and now I need to think, what do I multiply f by to get this f squared? I'm going to multiply by another f, and then what do I multiply this f by to get minus 2f? Well, I multiply by minus 2. So the factorised form is f brackets f minus 2. Okay, we're now given an expression. We have to work out the value of h when g is 2. So we know that h is g cubed plus 6g. So what we're going to do is 2 cubed plus 6g. Well, that means 6 times 2. Well, 2 cubed, that's 2 times 2 times 2, and 2 times 2 times 2 is 4 times 2, which is 8. So it's 8 plus 6 times 2 is 12, and 8 plus 12 is 20.